That's out of the way. So that's the bracket. 2 holes. But look at the bow. This one. So it's an easy fix. We just take this, the one on the top, put him in the bottom. But we have to take it easy. That's our Allen key. Skitty. There's well, it depends on your valve. There's a 5mm. Take this out. And then we're gonna take this one out too. This one you wanna do it by hand. This thing is plastic, you know how it is, it's fragile. You don't wanna go crazy with it. But that's my advice, you do you. And try not to touch this. It's very, you wanna keep it stiff. There's a way to do it, but we're not doing that today. All talking about it, it might, just might. See, taking that one out. Hand torque, you don't go crazy, it's plastic. There's no reason to go all out. Do it by hand all the way. That's the reason it has the little grip thing, so you can do it with fingers. Until it goes all the way to the bottom. It's an easy way to, like, once it gets tight, of course, use your tool. This is a trick, I saw a hack, but I don't know. I gotta use this quicker. See? Alright, I don't know if we're gonna start part 2 or I'm just gonna merge the video. So alright, that's it. Look, here's the suspension. You see that? Good thing there was like a quick link that took one of them. Everything is made up in this truck. Gotta get everything out, but it's late. I'm gonna leave this thing pending, maybe next month, some other month, I don't know, man. But look, I had to put like elbows. Both of them I need to have elbows. And then 3/8 all the way back with T's and stuff. And then I gotta find the main holes that connect all the way to the front. So you see this hose right here from the T? That one connects, he tap it to this one. That's crazy. You never tap to the air line or the brake line. Never. Those are independent. And then this shit, some other shit. So I don't know. I gotta find the main hose, and that one should be connected straight to from the air compressor all the way down here. That's the main line. But I'm gonna do that main line last whenever I get it. I'm just gonna finish all this setup whenever I get a chance. Look at this, estoy invento. None of this is the way it's supposed to be. Once this thing is done, once I'm done with all the setup from the airbags, then I'm gonna find from the main link and put it in one of the exhausts. But this one's too tight, so I guess I'm gonna put it right here in the bottom. The exhaust is the one where you get the air, and then there's a 1 and 2. It's just pretty much a big T, and you split from the airbags. Just a big U. All right, se acabó el día. Day is over. Got the truck running, thank God. And I saw a few things I need to get done, but I'm gonna wrap this up.